Day number 2 on the boat. Hi.
Morning. Morning.
Did not answer at all. You do?
I think.
Come on, answer the door. This is y'all wake up call.
Maybe then they'll know it's us.
It's just
A regular knock, I guess.
what's going? Okay, they're really just not answering. And my dad has to be out because he would have answered. Just ate some breakfast. Now I'm about to go wander around this boat. Just me and Dominique. Okay. Man.
Oh, they were saying that.
We're playing at the casino for our first time. At the casino again. I'm cured from it, but we're waiting for my parents, so why not play this game again? And yes, it is legal for us to play. The age is 18 on the boat. So here we go. Yes! I told you. I got superstition right. You have to give me a song. You have to give me a song.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
It's my champ to me, though.
I told you. Superstition.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and give it up for the Carnival Pride Temptation! Alright boys, Temptation walking.
Oh God.
There you go boys. Guys, medallion for each one of me. There you go, Frank. Thanks for coming out. One for you guys. There you go. One for you. And
Just on stage, dancing. Oh, Dominique, Dad, Mom, and up there. Go my dinner. I hate you so much.
That wasn't me.
Okay, it's not your birthday, huh? Others up there too.
We'll stop a dance like that early.
The show was good. We're back in our regular clothes.